energy is the most important thing in our lives. Without energy, there would be nothing but complete darkness. Only when energy is supplied, we are able to perform many different functions. So, whether it is lighting our houses, or driving cars, or running the factories, everything requires energy. So you see, everything, in fact, even playing or swimming, everything requires energy. Any activity you do, energy is required. Now, how do we get our energy? Well, we get energy from food, isn't it? And how do we get food? Well, we get food from either plants or animals. So, we can say that plants and animals are our sources of energy, isn't it? So, plants and animals are source of energy. Now, what type of energy do they give us? Or what type of energy do we get from plants and animals? Well, these are all biological things. And that's why the energy we get from biological things, it is called bioenergy. So you see, bioenergy is the energy which we obtain from plants and animals. Now, bioenergy is a renewable source of energy. So you see, bioenergy is renewable source of energy. And why is it renewable? Because whether it is plants or animals, they continue to multiply. So just because you ate one plant doesn't mean that there will be no more plants. Plants will grow again. Similarly, even animals multiply. So if you eat one fish, does not mean that you will have no more fish in the pond or lake or river or sea. There will be more fishes because they multiply. So they will be replenished or renewed. And that's why bioenergy is a renewable source of energy. So when we talk about renewable sources of energy, what are these? Well, renewable energy source is any source of energy that is naturally replenished in a short interval of time. So, whichever source of energy can be naturally replenished in short interval of time, we call it renewable source of energy. And bioenergy is a renewable source of energy. Now, bioenergy is not only utilized by our body, it can also be utilized for cooking and lighting. And how is that possible? Well, with such a setup. So in such a setup, what happens is all the biological materials are stored under the ground and they help in producing a gas which is called biogas. And this biogas is supplied to different homes, and these homes can use this gas for cooking and lighting. So, bioenergy can be used for dash. Is it cooking? Or is it lighting? Or is it both of these? What do you think? Well, it is definitely both of these, because bioenergy can be used for both cooking as well as lighting. So, the answer is both of these. Now, where else do we need energy? Well, we need energy to power all such devices. And how do we power all such devices? Well, electricity provides energy to all the devices, isn't it? Now, where do we get electricity from? Well, electricity can be generated from either water, wind, or coal. So, we can say that all these three, that is water, wind, and coal, are sources of energy. isn't it? Because they help us generate electricity, which powers many devices. Now, among them, water and wind are renewable. How are they renewable? Well, water renews through the water cycle, as we know. So, water turns into vapor, becomes cloud, and then it comes down as rain or snowfall, and then again this water gets added to the water bodies, and this cycle continues. So we know that water renews. What about wind? Well, wind will continue to flow. It is not something which will get exhausted. It will continue to flow. So both of these things are replenishable or renewable. Now, the energy which we get from water is called hydro energy or hydropower, and the energy which we get from wind is called wind energy. So, both these energies are renewable, isn't it? Now, apart from water and wind, there is another energy which is renewable and we use it many times. What exactly is it? For that, you will have to understand these devices. Now, can you tell me, on a calculator, what is this panel for? And the panel here, which is used on this street light, what are these for? Well, these are panels which are used to generate energy from sunlight. So, sun is responsible for powering of these devices. So, even sun is a source of energy. So, you see, sunlight is a source of energy. And what energy is it? What name do we give to sun's energy? Well, it is called solar energy. Now, even solar energy is a renewable energy. And why do I say so? Because we have unlimited supply of sunlight. So, we do not need to worry about exhausting the sunlight. Now, what name do we give to sun's energy? Well, sun's energy is called solar energy. Now, solar energy is also a renewable energy. And why do we say so? Because there is unlimited amount of sunlight available to us. So, we do not need to worry about exhausting the sunlight. And as a result, solar energy is a renewable energy. So, when we talk about renewable sources of energy, what are the most common ones? Well, they are wind energy, hydro energy, solar energy, and bioenergy. And all these four are renewable sources of energy. So, renewable energy source includes energy derived from solar, bio, wind, or water action. So, all these things are renewable sources of energy. Now, where else do we get electricity from? Well, apart from water and wind, we also get electricity from coal. Now, what type of energy does coal give us? Well, coal reserves are found under the ground. And so, the energy which we receive from coal is actually exhaustible. That is, once these reserves are used up, then we will have no more energy from coal. As a result, coal is not a renewable source of energy. And that's why we call coal a non-renewable source of energy. What exactly is non-renewable source of energy? Well, non-renewable sources of energy will run out and will not be replenished in our lifetimes or even in many lifetimes. So, these cannot be replenished very easily. It takes a very long time. And as a result, in our lifetimes, once we exhaust these supplies, we will not be able to obtain them back, or they cannot be replenished. And that's why they are called non-renewable sources of energy. Now, apart from coal, even petrol and LPG are such sources of energy which are non-renewable. And why do we call them non-renewable? Because when we talk about oil and gas, they take millions of years to be formed and are available in limited quantity. So you see, even they are stored under the earth's surface, and only this storage is available to us. And once this is over, we will have no more supply of these things. And as a result, oil and gas are non-renewable sources of energy. Now, these sources of energy, that is coal, oil, and gas, are also called fossil fuels. And why do we call them fossil fuels? Because they are made from dead remains of plants and animals. So, these fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. So, when we talk about fossil fuels, they are non-renewable. When we talk about non-renewable sources of energy, non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels, which are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So, there are two sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable sources. And what are the different types of renewable sources of energy? Well, they are wind, solar, hydro, and bio. And when we talk about non-renewable sources, they are coal, petrol, and natural gas. That is different fossil fuels. So, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy, and wind, solar, hydro, and bio are renewable sources of energy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.